This is Pioneer's MVH-MS512BS Marine Digital Media Receiver. This is an in-dash 1-DIN AM/FM digital media receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The MVH-MS512BS is compatible with Pioneer's Smart Sync app. The Pioneer Smart Sync app works with your Android phone and your iPhone and can be used as a wireless remote control for the in-dash receiver. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify, operating through your phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC files from a USB thumb drive and is Sirius XM ready. The MVH-MS512BS is a digital media receiver that does not play CDs. As you can see, this model is about half the depth of a conventional in-dash receiver that has a built-in CD player. A shallow chassis like this can open a lot of interesting installation options. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, I'll pop open the flap here. And the first thing we see is the wire harness. This is for connecting power and ground and speakers and all of the electrical connections to the boat. Next thing we have here is 1-DIN radio removal tools. And the next thing up here is the Bluetooth microphone. Now the Bluetooth microphone here comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. And let's open the flap here. And under the flap, we have the quick start guide. And we also have the warranty card. Please remember, you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual from pioneerelectronics.com in PDF form right to your phone. Okay, and let's pull the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the MVH-MS512BS has a large rotary volume knob right here. The backlit LCD display is visible in bright sunlight, and it has multicolor illumination. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. Use this button to make and receive hands-free phone calls. Radio station presets are across the bottom. The auxiliary input is here. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC files from a USB flash drive. And of course, detachable face security. The Pioneer MVH-MS512BS Marine Digital Media Receiver is designed to operate in a dry location. On the back panel of the MVH-MS512BS, the AM/FM radio antenna will plug in right here. The MVH-MS512BS is Sirius XM ready, and the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM will plug in right here. The electrical wire harness connected to the boat will plug in here. The built-in amplifier will power up to 4 speakers. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver. The one on the bottom is for operating the in-dash receiver with the optional CDME300 Marine Remote Control from Pioneer. The optional CDME300 is a wired remote control that can safely operate in a wet location. And here are 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer outputs, or as high, mid, and low outputs. And that is Pioneer's MVH-MS512BS Marine in-dash receiver. And what's in the box?